Since the passage talks about radioactive wastes, the word contaminants probably refers to A. pesticide wastes, B. medical wastes, C. petroleum byproducts, or D. radioactive wastes. Let's begin by locating the context of the word contaminants in the original text. We see contaminants mentioned in the second paragraph. That tells us that previous research warned Johnson and Blohm that ants could concentrate radioactive wastes in their mounds. Contaminants could be brought to the surface, and water seeping through the straw-sized tunnels might also be redistributing the radioactive wastes. Because the sentence that mentions contaminants doesn't specify what these contaminants are, we need to look at the surrounding sentences for clues. The previous sentence mentions that the ants could concentrate radioactive wastes in their mounds, and the sentence that follows it says that water seeping through the straw-sized tunnels might also be redistributing the radioactive wastes. Based on the context of our sentence, we can see that in this sentence too, we are talking about radioactive wastes. Therefore, we can head down to our choices and select D, radioactive wastes, as our final answer.